Yes. Go ahead.
All right. Good evening once again, sir. My name is Paul Liamgon from RBN Call Real Broadcasting Network. I would like to know your insight about the expectation of this convention this evening.
Well, this convention is a new beginning for the party. After the long battle, it is now clear that the party is on the stead of achieving its goals. After this convention, the door is now open for everybody to come, except children of perdition. There are some that are children of perdition, and whatever they say, they will not listen until they go to perdition. And the likes of Governor Makinde is one of those that I'm referring to. With one hand, you want to negotiate, another hand, you are in Supreme Court. So we will wait for the Supreme Court, but the party will not wait for him. He's already in suspension, remains in suspension, and after this convention, Makinde will be expelled. Let him be reminded that my name is Fayose, and I'm saying this in public here, and again, with the ongoing, he's sure to lose that election in Oyo State. So this convention is open for the benefit of sincere PDP members, and this party has a leadership, and our national leader is Yesom Ezonwa-Wike, and we are all celebrating him, celebrating the struggle, and thanking God for his life.
All right, sir. Against the words of the Senate President, sometimes in the Senate, the 10th Assembly, who said that PDP is gone. But with all of this, how do you reconcile his statement to this?
Listen, in the course of a fight and the issues before it was resolved in favor of this faction, the party was in turmoil. But now, if you see everybody coming on board, shows that people are happy. People want to play the politics. They want to belong to this party, and they are most welcoming. The party is most welcoming.